I'm Brent. I work up at the Portland location in Michigan. I'm an ag tech. I'm on the road full time. I've been doing this for 5 years. I went down through the ag tech program at Owens Community College in Toledo, Ohio. I did that for 2 years and came back to the dealership and got in a service truck, and now I'm on the road full time chasing choppers, combines, tractors, planters, anything you name it, anything big. Being a road technician, you gotta know your stuff and you gotta be able to have good customer service skills. You gotta be able to talk with people, and it's awesome hearing the stories every place you go. You always hear someone's story, and it's always amazing because everyone's got a different story of where they came from or how they made it to where they made it, and it's really, really cool to hear how they got to where they are, and it's cool to be a part of how they got to where they are as well. My favorite part of this job is seeing the equipment run. When you get it going, and even seeing the people sit up in the seat with a smile on their face because their machine's fixed and they can go back to the field and harvest what they need to get out before the rain comes. And it's very rewarding to see them go on the next morning after you've spent a late night there. So with Hudson, they just really care. They really care about their people, and they care about their customers. They want to take care of the customers, and they want to, treat everyone fairly. And Hudson just has the willingness to go the extra mile and really, really cares about its employees, and they want to make sure that you have the tools that you need to do your job. They're not afraid to spend some money on some special tooling that you need to do a job, to pull an engine or anything like that. We're equipped with nice service trucks now, and we can do just about anything in the field.